How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super neat 72 El Camino SS. It's a numbers match car, 350 4-speed. Car was come out of California originally. Super clean, rust-free car. It's done in a gorgeous burgundy metallic with the black stripes, black top. Very nice car. The front bumper is the original. Shows a little bit of age, but still looks real nice. The grille and headlight bezels are all the originals. Car's straight down the sides. Got a nice set of Kragers and Cooper Cobra tires on it. Black on the bottom. See, the rear bumper's been re-chromed. All the trim looks real nice on the car. All the side trim, the trim on the tailgate. This car was done about 5 years ago. Still looks really, really nice. Does have a few stone chips just from being driven and enjoyed. And it is the numbers match 350. Been updated with aluminum intake and Edelbrock carb with electric choke. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes. It's got 12-bolt limited slip. It's got the Muncie 4-speed. Just a real nice cruising car. I drove the car home about 40 miles or so. Cruises right down the road. It's all nice, clean jams and everything. It's got the original tach and gauge package, all that works. The radio turns on but doesn't make any sound. Headliner's nice. We do have the original SS wheels that will also go with the car. All inside the bed's real painted real nice. Not all beat up or nothing. Nice and clean across the bottom of the tailgate. It's got the factory spare and stuff all in it. I tell you, it's just a real nice cruiser. Have some fun. It's kind of rare to have the El Camino SS. I've had several El Caminos and I enjoy them. They're great cars to cruise. All underneath the hood's detailed nice. Fires right up. Got real nice dual exhaust. It's not real loud, just sounds real good. Exits out the back behind the wheels. lights, everything work on the car. It's just a real cool car. Get in the car and drive it anywhere you want to go. Gorgeous, gorgeous color on the car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.